Ever scrolled through FeetFinder and thought, wait, who's buying that? Well, you're not alone. Today, we're diving into some of the weirdest but surprisingly popular feet categories. And yes, they absolutely sell. Humiliation feet pics, roast my toes. This category? It's for buyers who want to be teased, roasted, and dragged by your souls. We're talking dirty captions, dominant vibes, and an unapologetic attitude. Think you wish you could touch these feet, but you're not worthy. Yes, it's a thing. Smelly feet pics. Scent you can't smell. Smelly feet without the smell. Sounds odd, but for the scent-driven crowd, dirty socks, gym shoes, and captions about how long you've been wearing them hit the mark. Visuals plus suggestions equals a powerful combo. Segment 3, Stomping Feet Pics, crush goals literally. Ever wanted to stomp a watermelon barefoot? There is a buyer for that. The stomping category is oddly satisfying. Fruit, toys, and even dirty underfoot. The messier, the better. Food feet pics, feast for the feet. Feet plus food, minus a niche dream. Think toes dipped in whipped cream, soul squishing spaghetti. Bonus tip, use colorful, messy foods for visual impact. Callus feet pics, rough as in. Smooth isn't the only way. Calluses, cracked heels, and real raw feet have their fans. This category celebrates imperfections, so don't delete that leg photo after leg day just yet. Bizarre feet pics, the wild card zone. This is where creativity reigns. Think Halloween feet, weird filters, surreal props, or feet in unexpected places. If you're artsy, funny, or just out there, this is your playground. These categories might sound wild at first, from smelly to stomping to downright bizarre. They're not only real, but also thriving. If your content doesn't fit the typical soft and polished vibe, that isn't a flaw. That's your niche. Lean into it. Own it. This is where the money and the fun are on FeetFinder. Like, subscribe, and drop your weirdest category idea in the comments. Want tips for shooting in these niches? Let me know.